Hi everyone, this is K. Vamshi from ECD section and roll number is M7. Today I want to discuss about the composition and characteristics of CNG, which includes in the subject of chemistry. So let us start the topic. First of all, what is CNG? CNG is known as compressed natural gas. This is a substitute fossil fuel for diesel or petrol or propane. So CNG is used instead of diesel, petrol or propane. And here you can see the logos of CNG. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation, importance, advantages, disadvantages and solutions, effects and lastly conclusion. So let us start the topic. Coming to preparation, it is made by compressing natural gas to less than 1% of volume at stand atmospheric pressure. It is stored in hot cylindrical containers at pressure of 200 to 280 bars. Natural gas is mostly methane. Methane is called as a mostly natural gas, like one carbon atom, where methane is called as a one carbon atom. Here you can see the process of making CNG. Firstly, biogas has a 40 to 60% of methane, and it enters to water separation, sulfur separation, sialoxane separation, and next to PSA gas separation system. Here CO2 evolved outside, and remaining gases which we get 95 to 98% of methane, and it again went to natural gas compressor, here industrial gas burners and cylinders and vehicles. So natural gas compressor, I mean CNG used for cooking, industrial gas burners and cylinders and mostly vehicles. So here you can see the industrial structure, how to prepare working of CNG. Here you can find fuel gallery, air cleaner, engine, three catalyst silencer, CNG tank. It is a working principle in the vehicle where CNG is used as a fuel. Uh, so here you can see the CNG tank used as a fuel in the car. What is the importance of the CNG? It is a cheap other than fuels. It is dispersed quickly when released. It is lighter than air. It releases less carbon into the atmosphere. Mainly, it produces less fuel than petrol or diesel, and it we can get CNG quickly. It's cheaper than other fuels. Nowadays, we can see the rates of the petrol or diesel rised. Instead, we can, if we use CNG, it it reduce the cost, and mostly it is environmental pollution free. So you can see the CNG used for safety, environmental friendly, beneficial benefit, CNG properties, and filling stations. What are the advantages of the CNG? Due to absence of lead or benzene, lead fouling of spark plugs is eliminated. Low maintenance cost than other vehicles, increases the life of lubricating oils. It mixes easily and evenly in air. It is less likely ignite on hot surface because it has high auto ignition temperature, which is 540 degrees Celsius, which is high temperature, and small range of flammability, where 5% to 15%, less pollution and more efficiency. Here these are the characteristics of CNG. It is reliable, eco-friendly, convenience, economical, and safe. So these are the main facts which of CNG, where we can use CNG as a fuel and many industrial forms instead of petrol, diesel, other types of fuels. And even this is most approachable fuel, it has some disadvantages, like CNG vehicles require greater amount of space for fuel storage than conventional gasoline powered vehicles. Since it's compressed gas rather than a liquid like gasoline, CNG takes up more space for each gasoline gallon equivalent GGE. So it requires lot of space in vehicle to store it, and CNG vehicle needs more space for fuel storage. Starting problem is cold weather, and installation cost is quite high. Availability of natural gas station, it is harmful for health and may cause for lungs cancer, and engine lifespan got shortened. So these are the disadvantages of uh, CNG in spite of advantages of CNG. So here you can see the solution for the disadvantage. Install the tanks under the body of the vehicle, leaving the truck free, like Fed Multiple, Volkswagen Tower and Eco Fuel, Volkswagen Caddy Eco Fuel, installation tanks on roof. So these are the solution used for disadvantages of CNG. And coming to the effects, CNG emits significantly less pollution than petrol, such as carbon dioxide, unburned hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and sulfur oxides. So these are the chemicals or gases released by petrol, and less amounts of these gases released by CNG. And here you can see the first CNG bike made in the world, which runs on the CNG gas. And here also you can see the first truck where CNG used as a fuel. Coming to the conclusion, due to this above reason, CNG mostly useful for vehicles as a fuel to reduce the pollution, and it is cheaper than fuel like petrol and diesel. So from the above advantages and disadvantages and fuels preparation, CNG is most required than other pet fuels like petrol, diesel, etc. Even it is a mostly approachable, it has some disadvantages which we can solve some by some other techniques. So I think you understand about the CNG. So thank you.